Hi guys, welcome to Football Brownie. Hope you're well, keeping safe, keeping each other safe and spreading the love in this big bad world of ours. Before I go any further, please like, share, most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Remember, subscription is free. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscriber button right now. Don't forget the notification bell. Okay, I just finished interview I had with former Wimbledon and Newcastle and, of course, England international Warren Barton. Please check that interview out. Really great chat, and he touched upon his 3 years of roommating or rooming with Gary Speed, or the late great Gary Speed. Anyway. Okay, West Ham, young West Ham fan, was actually leading the singing on a platform in London after the game over a weekend. And you know what? Sometimes just a little video like this on social media puts a massive smile on your face. Enjoy.
Very good.
Lions!
And again.
Lions! Lions!
Start singing. Forever blind.
I'm forever blowing bubbles! Flies so high, reach the sky, and
so